Hello everybody, Angel here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I am excited today because we have a treat for you. We have this very attractive, good looking vehicle. It's a 2023 Audi S8. Yeah, that's right, I said it's an Audi S8 and it comes with every package known to man. This is a $150,000 vehicle, guys, and now I just want to go through it and show you a couple things. First thing that you see is the one thing that you see with every single luxury Audi vehicle is the beautiful styling on the lights. As you can see, I do have the hazard lights going, so you can see over here you do get your daytime running lights. You do get full LED high beams and headlamps on the vehicle as well. You get your badging over here. As you can see, your S8, you have to promote that. I don't know if you can see under the emblem over here, under the four rings, you do have your front facing camera as well with your sensors masked in between this beautiful massive grille. Check out that grille. Look at all that silver around it. Now what they decided to do is, and I do like in this model, is check out the silver. They individually put the silver all the way around the grille instead of having the whole thing either black or a solid color. Now, as you move on over here to the side, I do want to show you what this vehicle looks like with these awesome 21-inch 10-spoke Audi design wheels, and it just looks amazing. Look at these red calipers. You do get that S8 badging on the actual caliper as well. Love that. So you got silver on top, and the bottom you do have the body color with your side cameras on the bottom as well, and you can see the signal lights going around the side. Every single door, get that, you have that soft touch on every single door. So let me show you. As you can see, check that out. You see how it closes on its own? So that's a feature that everybody loves. Keyless entry on every single door. You have the little pad on there so you can have easy access to get in this beautiful vehicle. And now let's see the rear of this S8 and check out this beauty. I love that. Look at this light, how it goes, this light bar, how it goes all the way around the trunk, all the way to the other side. You do get, just like the front, you do get LED lights in the rear as well. You can't leave out the S8 because when you drive, people got to know what you're driving. They got to know you spent the money on this thing. I do love that they put actual quad exhaust on it. They're not fake. These are actual quad exhaust, and it's good to have because you have a 4.0 liter V8 engine over here. So check out this beautiful trunk. You could definitely fit a couple bodies over here. You got some mats, as you can see. They have them stored for you. And one thing I do like about this, they don't forget your spare tires. No, they don't, with your tools. You do get free roadside assistance for a couple years, so you won't have to worry about anything, but check that out. You get a power lift gate as well. Now, if we move over here to the side, get ready, guys, because the rear of this vehicle is the best I've seen. Very comfortable. Let's go for it. Oh my goodness, check that out. Black leather. You got white stitching going all the way around, diamond stitching as well. As you can see, this does come with the comfort package. It is a 4-passenger vehicle. I'm gonna sit over here so you can actually see. Oh, let me get this phone out. Check this out. I'm in love with this vehicle. As you can see, look at all the legroom I have over here. You got some pockets if you need to store some sort of documents over here. This vehicle is just so you can enjoy the day and be driven in. Check this out. Splits the back over here. You do get these comfort seats. You got some buttons over here that do control the headrest, the functionality of the seat. And one thing I do want to show you, if you're a businessman or businesswoman and you need to get some work done, check this out. Let's open this right up. Comes right out over here, and as you can see, it's like an airplane. Move it, adjust it, bring it out to you. Up, there we go. Put your little laptop on there. You can actually adjust this as well if you got to go a little further up, down. Pretty cool. And we can't forget about the passenger. They get their own as well. Check that out. This is straight pure luxury. I love this. Let's put this right back because I do not want to break anything, as you can see. And let's put this right back, slide it down. Look how easy that is. Move this right down. I do like the fact they give you a little bit of storage back here. Not much, but enough where they can put two USB-C charging ports as well. They thought of everything over here. You got a couple different sections over here. You just push down, opens up, you get some cup holders. Push this down, you get a power outlet, and you get a 12-volt right over here as well. I love it. One thing I do like about this, you see this over here, that is for your vents. You can actually close it, but what they did with the S8 is you can actually slide. There you go, close it and open. You can't tell me this is not pure beauty. And I do want to show you one thing also. Shout out to my cameraman, camera woman, aka Kayla. Check out these buttons over here right on the side. Now this shows you everything. I do like the fact that this door panel has some soft touch leather over here with the stitching option for memory seating just to set it. And right over here, these buttons, you can actually recline the seats as well, so you have maximum comfort. And I do want to show you a couple more buttons over here as well. What these do, they control right over here your privacy shade. All you gotta do is hit it. Check that out. Comes right down. Check this out. This is for your dual panoramic sunroof. Check this out. I'm gonna just hit this button and I want you to just come inside with me and check out what happens. Look at that. You have the option to control both sides as well. And I just want you to know, you have the option on both passengers have the options to turn that on and off. One last button that I do want to show you, if you go back to the door panel over there, is the one all the way to the rear, which controls your privacy shade in your back glass. So I just want to show you, come inside, I'm gonna hit this button and you will see. Check this out. I am in love with this vehicle. Now let's take some time and go to the front of this vehicle so I can show you some more goodies. All right, let's go for it. All right, guys, and here we are in the front of this vehicle, and I just want to show you a couple things. Look how beautiful this looks. You have these great stitching on this front chair. You got the diamond stitching. You also have your S design right on the seat engraved. Love that. You can see the little chair over there, and that's for the massage seat. You can engage that. You can control your lumbar support around on the outer side with your headrest, and you have the bar, the long bar and the vertical bar, which control your back, and you can bring your seat forward as well. I love it. If you go to the door over here on the side, you also get to see some more S badging. Everything about this vehicle, they just knew what they were doing. Check out that door panel over there and check out the side. As you can see, the sound system, Bang & Olufsen, the most premium sound. If you know anything about Bang & Olufsen, the way they design their audio is specific to the vehicle, okay? Check out, you got some soft touch, you got some gloss black also on the door. Love it. It just brings everything out. The door handle's a little bit different. As you can see it, it's on the bottom. I love that. It's a little bit different. And we can move over here towards the middle of the vehicle. You got some more gloss black. Usually they like to put carbon fiber over here, but with this package, it was actually designed with more gloss black, and you got some silver trim going over here along as well. You have the beautiful display, and everything just lays out perfectly over here, as you can see. Moving on to the climate control, I do want to show you guys how easy it is. You got easy access to it. Everything is digital. I love that. You got your heated seats on both sides, ventilated seats as well. This vehicle is equipped with everything you possibly want and need. You have different drive modes over here. This does come in with air suspension, so something I'll probably try to show you later if I remember. When you open the door, the car actually will adjust the suspension and move it up for you for easy access in and out the vehicle. As you can see, I want to bring the focus over here. Check out this steering wheel. They thought about everything. You got some more gloss black over here, that S symbol right over here. You got stitching in the interior of this amazing steering wheel. It just feels good. It feels right. I just want to take off right now. You do have some buttons over here that control the digital cockpit over here, as you can see. Right now, the clusters, you can make them bigger, go to the side, and switch different functionality. On the other side over here, you do have the ability to pick up your phone, voice command. You can control your volume right over here. You can they thought of everything in this vehicle. I don't know if you can see right here in the back, does come equipped with paddle shifters. You need to have paddle shifters in all your vehicles. Love that. One thing you can't see from here, this does come with the heads-up display. Another thing that I love. And check out these banging awesome speakers. When you get in the vehicle, they pop up, giving you more of that premium sound that we all love. And I want to take you over here to the door panel. As you can see, pretty much like I showed you on the other side, this side does have child lock on the door panel as well. Love it. You do have your power folding mirrors over here. They actually are heated as well. They're also auto dimming mirror as well. Can you see over here this little black box over here? Let me put down this window. This is where your blind spot monitor is on these vehicles on both sides. Also equipped with the blind spot monitor. Love that. Now look at that. You got Quattro over here. They got to display the Quattro, the best all-wheel drive system in the world, as you guys know. And that's it, folks. Thank you guys for joining me. I love this vehicle, as you can tell. I just need the money for it. That's all I need. That's all I'm missing. Give me the money and this is mine. All right, folks, there you have it. 2023 Audi S8. Love it. I hope you guys love this video, and thank you for taking the time to take a look at it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Angel Diaz here at Audi VW, Fall River. Take care, everybody. Have fun.